Hey guys, I'm Ritwik, here at Block 31 in the School of InfoComm Technology, ICT. Our school offers a huge range of special interest groups, otherwise known as SIGs, that specialize and focus on all the things in ICT. You name it, we have it. Now, spread amongst all SIGs, we all play a role in planning both internal and external ICT-related events for secondary school students, our own students, and even cross polytechnics. Our doors are always open for those seeking for more ICT-related endeavors. Now, are you curious to see what SIGs we have? Follow me and take a look at what our representatives have to say about them.
We are a new SIG that explores the uses of AI and data science. We teach various ways of building AI models and study the new advancements in AI. Additionally, with our collaboration with AISIG, we have professionals of their field providing talks and presentations on useful AI concepts, application, and even career advancements. I've always been passionate about AI and machine learning. Furthermore, I believe AI will be the main driver of tech advancements. So, once I was offered the opportunity to learn from experts and improve my knowledge regarding AI, I took it.
Amphibi Studio focuses on immersive media and game design. So that means that if you have any workshop, it will be related to games, like how to make games in Unity, for example, or learning digital art on Photoshop. So personally for me, I joined Amphibi Studios because I was interested in games. And since Amphibi Studios is the only SIG that offers interest on game, I chose Amphibi Studio.
We focus mainly on innovation and entrepreneurship, so if students have a business idea, we make it into something tangible with funding. We have something called Innovate Secure, which we have yearly, so students showcase their cybersecurity like showcases and skills. Sometimes we have Genesis alumni coming to school, so these people are like professionals in their own field, so a lot of these people can teach these students and possibly in the future make them professionals as well.
So ICT Society represents the student body of the School of InfoComm Technology. So we mainly plan events such as internal bonding camps in order to foster a sense of unity and familiarity between the peers and students within the school. And we are also in charge of the freshman orientation program for our freshies each year. Initially, I joined ICT Society with the plan of making more new friends because in year one I was really lost and not sure what to do. So I felt that ICT Society was a good platform for me to get to know my peers better, as well as ask seniors for guidance as well, since they will know more since they're from the School of InfoComm Technology.
In Nullsec, we are a student-led special interest group that strive to grow and sharpen student knowledge of cybersecurity. We believe that everyone has different strengths, views, and talent, and therefore anyone in our special interest group can voice out or even conduct workshops of their choice. Everyone in Nullsec is given a chance to familiarize themselves with cybersecurity, no matter which school or course they are from, to allow them to know the fundamentals of cybersecurity, or to further educate them about knowledge and tools that every cybersecurity professional needs. One of our flagship events is the Youth Cyber Exploration Program, which is supported by CSA and well known to the Secondary School of Singapore. During the Youth Cyber Exploration Program, we teach secondary school students on fundamentals of cybersecurity, as well as raise their interest in cybersecurity. I believe with all these exciting activities at Nullsec, we have helped many to extend their passion and interest in the field of cybersecurity.
My SIG Orion does outreach events for secondary school students. So during these events, we will expose them to the different diplomas we offer in the School of ICT. We'll also give them some insights on the modules that they will possibly learn. We also do a lot of bonding activities for Orion members, such as movie nights, game nights, and so on. Orion does two major events every year. Firstly, the Amazing Race, where we plan games that introduce the participants to the Ngee Ann Poly campus and diplomas offered by the School of ICT. Secondly, it is our Streetwise flagship event. Streetwise is a challenge event where we will teach the participants a specific topic such as robotic process automation. The participants will then go through training sessions hosted by Orion members, and with the knowledge learned from the trainings, they will be required to apply it to the final challenge.
So this special interest group focuses on bringing together people who are interested in technology, and it aims to actually explore and interact and actually try to get technology as we can throughout the broad range of technology that are out there, and as well as get people to exchange and share knowledge with one another in regards to technology. So I choose to join Overflow because I was pretty new to programming and technology when I first came into Neon. So when I came across Overflow, it kind of fit me because every week they had weekly sessions where they explore different technologies, and on top of that, they had competitions and events which I'm quite interested in. And on top of that, when I was doing the CSAFE Fiesta, I also managed to saw some of the displays they had and some of the cool things they were showing, and that also kind of caught my attention.
PVSIG is a special interest group whose main aim is to help its members learn more about the art of photography and videography. We often provide our photography and videography services for ICT events such as CSOP, camps, etc. I have been interested in photography since secondary school when I started shooting photos with my new DSLR. When I joined Neon, I wanted to join a CCA or an SIG which aligned with this particular interest of mine, and thus I decided to join PVSIG to meet other photographers with similar interests. The latest book which we did was the edit of the Staff Appreciation Day video. Since it was held virtually, we had to edit the screen recordings neatly to put together a nice video for the staff members of Neon.
The Singapore Computer Society is the leading InfoComm and digital media society for industry professionals, leaders as well as students. In the student chapter, student members can enjoy opportunities to meet, mingle with, and be mentored by leading practitioners for an invaluable head start in their chosen fields. I joined this SIG as I wanted to know more from working professionals in the IT field and to build my network with these people, as it will be totally different from studying in school, and it will be beneficial to me when I enter the industry. Through the events that I have participated, the professionals have shared with me on their journey and tips on what I should do to better prepare myself for the workforce.
Our mission of DotSIG is to create a place that sparks creativity and innovation through art among people, making art enjoyable and relaxing. Our bi-weekly session gather members of DotSIG to draw together and bolster their fiery passion for art or even ignite new ones. Why I joined DotSIG is because sometimes I feel I have no time to practice my drawing as my workload increases. Joining DotSIG pushes me to work on my skills but also hone my creativity through sessions and practices with the help of like-minded and welcoming members. The highlight of our DotSIG are sessions where members are able to teach others new drawing skills through presentations and activities. In future, we may plan to stretch this further, reaching out to experts to share their experience and expertise. We also have plans in the near future to use future drawing session drawings to create a world where our drawings can interact with each other and tell stories of the world to others through art media. The goal of this world-building project is to inspire creativity amongst the members and be more adaptable to changes.
So that's been it. To learn more about the different SIGs, scan the QR code at the top right-hand corner of the screen. We hope you guys enjoyed the show introduction to the SIGs. We hope to see you in one of them in a few months' time. Bye-bye.